Excuse me, just talk to you for a minute. Actually, I'm a content creator. I click portraits of strangers to post it on my Instagram. Sudhir Portrait. Can you search it for you? I'll guide you all the poses. So, what's your good name?
I'm Nikita.
Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
What makes you happy?
Eating food and sleep. And spending time with friends.
Is she your best friend?
Yes.
She's your best friend. Oh, that's nice. A very beautiful line.
ఏ చిలిపి కళ్ళలోన కలవో ఏ చిగురు గుండెలోన లయవో